This is the new left-hand AR-15 5.56 upper from Palmetto State Armory, paired with the B&T brace on the lower. I put a Rise Armament 2-stage 3.5 pound trigger, Magpul furniture, grips, everything like that. I have an Otter Creek Labs polonium suppressor and an Odin O-Light. Yep, leave your hate in the comments below, but actually this thing has done very well for me with the pressure pad and everything. And then to top it all off, of course, we have the Vortex Venom 1x6 second focal plane. For those of you who are on a budget, this is an excellent optic. Anyway, I have just sighted this in at 50 yards. I forgot to mention I have ambidextrous safety as well as magazine release. So I've only sighted this in at 50 yards. Today we're going to see how the 10.5-inch barrel does at range. This is my new truck gun. We're trying it out at 430 yards today.